Guys, welcome back to another one of my editing video tutorials, and here I'm about to show you a trick that you can use to upgrade your video editing tips. So sit back and enjoy. Step 1, download a red backgrounds from Google. Increase its scale or size to fit the size of your screen. Add your overlay image to the original background. I'm using one of my photos, as you can see. In the next step, we are going to remove the background of the photo by clicking on Cutout. Your image or your photo will look like so after you've removed the background. The next step, we are going to make the image in black and white. So what we are going to do is we are going to click on Adjust and then reduce saturation to 0, or you can go to the HSL option and click saturation, turn it to 0. Just right next to HSL, you'll see the graphs option. You're going to click it and we are going to turn everything to 0. We are going to turn the white to 0, the red to 0, the green to 0, and finally the blue to 0. So this is going to give us the silhouette type of effect that you're looking for your video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.